Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am decorating my spread for the week. I am using the new color, well, it's not really new. I think it's from last year. Oh, actually it's from 2024. Okay. It is a sticker book I've only used once. That's what it is. And it's a really fun, kind of like if you remember, if you were around back in the day, Color Story sticker books. It's like that, where it has a section that is themed just for a spread, and you can use these sections here to make a fun spread. And I like this one because it's very, like some of it's kind of random, but it's all coordinates. It's just fun. So I'm going to use this section right here to decorate this spread. I hope this book's still available because it's a really cute book. I guess I can look and see if it is really quick. No, it's not, unfortunately. Okay, hopefully if you have this book, I can inspire you to use this book if it's in your collection and you kind of forgot about it like me, because I've only used it once. But it's a really cute book. And then hopefully they come out with more like this because it's really adorable. All right, so like I said, I'm going to use this section right here, and hopefully you can still see it. Yeah, okay. So I have some washi. I really love this color scheme, the orange and the pink. So I have orange and pink washi here. This is from Planything. Love Planything washi. I think I might just use the orange though, just for this spread. So yeah, I'll do orange scallops. I love the little scallops. So this week is a not busy week for me. Really no plans except for getting an oil change. That's the only thing I really need to do this week. And aside from normal plans, but nothing fun planned. Next week I have fun plans because it's my birthday week, and I'm going to Disney a couple days, so that's exciting. But this week is a pretty mellow week, and I'm hoping to get as much as I can done so that way I'm not having to, oh no, I'm messing this up. I'm not having to work too much during my birthday week. I only have a 4-day work week next week, so that's good. But I also will be out of town a couple days, so I need to make sure I have what I need to get done filming wise, like filmed before and edited. And I don't want to do anything. I just want to have it all ready to go and not worry about it, and then enjoy my weekend. So I really need to make sure I get some stuff done this weekend. Okay, so let's see what I got. Well, I could use this one. That's cute. I want it to be very random too, this spread. So let's do this because I usually put a long box on the sidebar, and this is the only longish box that I can use. So we'll put this over here for a list. It says all the things. And then I usually put a double box here. There isn't a functional double box, but I can layer boxes onto this one. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I actually have Friday off from work, so I will be busy with plans that day. This whole weekend I can be very productive. That's the goal. All right, so then I have this to layer with this. This, probably do this one, a little noted for Saturday, and then maybe a circle sticker. Thought I saw a circle sticker. No. Oh, this one, I love this. We'll layer this here. Cute. All right, I want to do a layered thing over here. I really love this one with the lobsters. Adorable, but I need something to layer with that. So I'll do this one because I want a functional box layered with it. So that works. We'll do this one for Friday. And like I said, it's kind of random, but it all goes. I like the randomness, honestly. And I don't have to worry about, like, does this match? Does this match? I'm not really caring about that. It all goes, in my opinion. All right, I definitely want to add a bird. So let's do a bird coming across the page here. Of course, have to do a little flying trail. Little loopy coming off the page. Perfect. Okay, for sure have to do a crab. Gotta get the little crab on the page. Oh, a cute little flower. Okay, where can I put the crab? Maybe I'll put him down here. And then I got these pretty flowers. Let's add some flowers. Okay. I'll probably put some flowers over here somewhere, just not yet, don't know. Definitely want to get, okay, let me do more functional stuff. Oh, there's not very much, there's not that many functional things. Uh-oh, I might have to bring another book. Oh, there's this, okay. I got a checklist. I really don't want to. I really want to just use this book. Okay, what do I need to remember? Remember, I'll put here for there. This will be a functional sticker for over here for Monday. And then let's put a box over here. Let's do this one. This one's pretty. And then I got a flower. I'll put on the top here. I'm actually gonna cut this down a little bit. Okay, it's going into March, but that's fine. And then I really love these big quotes. Again, I don't have a lot of plans this weekend except, oh, I have an appointment. My bad. I have an appointment sticker. Oh, okay, I can use this one. I have an appointment on Saturday for my car to take to Toyota, so that's perfect for there. That's like my only plan. Oh, this is another functional sticker I can use here. Oh, I also have a checklist. Okay, cool. So let's do the checklist. Actually, I kind of want to move this around because I want the checklist for Friday because I have the day off from work. So I do have a lot of tasks I want to do for Friday. Here. And then we'll put this remember over here because I just think it'll look good here. And then I'll put this. I feel like I need more pink over here though. So maybe I'll switch this one around. I'll put this deep, like, what is this color called? Rusty color over there. And then I'll put this one here. Maybe I should put it down here. I just don't like that they're kind of similar there. So we'll put it here. Okay, let me see what other functional. I have this, which I don't have foil on this side, so I'm going to take, oh, but I don't have a checklist on this side. No, I'm not going to do that one. All right, forget that. I'll put foil stickers over here another way. I do have these. I have these quotes. I like this flower. I do want to get one of these over here. So let's do that. I put it here. Nah, we're gonna go with that there. And then I have this cute flower. I really want to put this flower down. So we'll put it here on the corner. And then I have this one. I like this one. So we'll put this. Where to put this? Where to put this? Here. Okay. And then I have these little quotes. I definitely want to add some of these. So let's see, which one should I add? Okay, I got seize the day. Let's try to find a spot for that. This is kind of long. Okay, there. I like this hello happy. Can I fit it somewhere? I don't think so. Can we make it work? We shall see. Oh my goodness. I kind of like it here though. Again, I don't have a lot of plans, so I could take up this space with it. Yeah. But I don't like that it's covering the stickers. So I would need to lift this one. And have the bird flying on top of it. Does that look okay? Let's see from above. I think it works. Okay, that works. Although I did put it kind of crooked. Why did I do that? Fix that. Thankfully, these pull up pretty easily, which I really appreciate. So I'll put this here. All right. Cute. Oh, I forgot about this box. This is another good functional box. Maybe I should put it here. Because I feel like I need more of this color over here because I have a lot of it on this side. So let me do this over here. Another box here. And then we'll just put that there. Yeah, that works. Okay, then next, I don't think I have space for those. Maybe little quotes. I do like those, like these. Let's bring in some of this bright pink because I got it over here. We'll bring some over here on this side. And then let's get some more of those. Again, more of these. We'll do this one. This one says, everything in its time. And then I have this one. Wait, hold on, let me see. Celebrate. No, I'm not doing any celebrating this week. We'll do this one. Where are we here? Okay, and then I really like this one that says espresso yourself. So we're gonna do that one. I just like this little quote. We'll do it here. Okay. I do feel like I am missing bullet points. But you know what? I can go in with, I plan on using, I'm gonna put this here. What am I gonna use? Oh, mild liners. And I could just use those to make dots. Ooh, I actually have dot ones that I can make dots with for bullet points. Just trying to challenge myself to just use this book. I do wish I had bullet points though. There's no bullet points, right? No. I could use that as a bullet point, but there's only one. I kind of would want, like if I'm going to use an icon or a decorative element that way, I would want it to be the same ones. So then you know it's a bullet point. If that makes sense. I didn't put a checklist on this side, but honestly, I really don't need one. Because like I said, I'm not busy this part of the week. It's more this part of the week that I'm busier. So I do have a good amount of spots to write things in for me when it comes to the plans for this planner. This planner is just my catch-all planner for just my life to-dos, and I have a social media planner that's more for, that'll break down more of my tasks in that planner. So I don't have to put like everything. It's just more like laundry, appointments, things to remember if it's somebody's birthday, that kind of stuff that go in here. So I'm thinking this is a pretty good use of the stickers. Let me see what else I got though, because I did find a couple things. I have this don't forget. Maybe I'll put this here because I don't have a copy element on this side, so we'll just put don't forget here. That's cute. And then I think I used as much as I can for my spread. Okay, I got all the things that I wanted to down, so I'm happy with that. But look how adorable it is. It's very random, but it works, which I love. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed as I use the new, or the color coordinate sticker book. I still have like 1, 2, 3, 4 themes left. So there's 6 themes in this book. So yeah, if you have this book, definitely pull it out and use it because it's really adorable. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.